Look at this beauty granola. It's amazing. Amazing, 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 amazing. Shake it, baby. Hola amigos, I'm Ulysses Cruz. I'm a professional chef with 10 years of experience, the last 5 years doing plant-based cooking, and something that I love, and yes, I've been enjoying doing ever since. I've been enjoying doing ever since. I've enjoying doing ever since. If you really know me, I appreciate if you like my other videos, and really appreciate when you hit like this video, kind of the videos that you really like it. This video, basically, we're gonna make granola, nothing else, just granola, couple ingredients, and that. So let's do it. The staple of our granola is going to be, yes, oh no, oh see, oh no, oats, 1 cup, okay, 2 cups, so amigos, 2 cups of oats, 1 cup of puffed rice, 1/4 cup of sunflower and pumpkin seeds, also 1/4 cup of silver almonds, 2 tablespoons of flax ground, mix all together well, pinch of salt. Right now is the most difficult part. 1 banana. Oh no, I'm gonna eat it anyway. Amigos, 1 banana. Just mash a little bit. I don't wanna throw away this part. Anyway, I'm gonna bake it. Also, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And amigos, the last ingredient, 2 tablespoons of agave. Something like 2 tablespoons of agave. Let's mix all together. So amigos, until this point, just make sure cut everything. Yes, COAT, cut everything. Look at this, it's going to look beautiful. Watch this. And right now looks everything is sticky. Everything looks good. And spread on your baking paper. Just one thing, just make sure there are no big pieces of banana. So right now it's time to bake it something between 25 to 30 minutes. Let's do it. Oh no. So preheat your oven first. Okay, it's ready. I'll be back. Ta-da! 10 minutes later, amigos. It's cut. No. Just run the spoon through the whole granola. Yeah, amigos. Do that. Just run the spoon across the top to turn the mix. You're gonna see this closed. It's going good, so I'm gonna leave it to bake the rest. So amigos, I say 350 degrees Fahrenheit, something between 25 to 35 minutes. But anyway, just keep your eyes on. Just make sure to make it golden brown or give a little color to your granola. Amigos, I added 5 extra minutes. So basically I'm gonna leave it right here. Just wait until it's completely cold, and I'm gonna add a little extra berries. So right now, once it's cold, oops. It's so beautiful, this granola. So I'm gonna add it's 2 tablespoons of cranberries. You can add any berries, any dry berries, and goji berries. 2 tablespoons also. But those are really black almost. Just I'm gonna add it. It's good to add it a little extra color. So I mean, basically just I added extra 2 tables of cranberries and 2 tables of goji berries. You can add any other berries. All is up to you. And that is how to make one granola. It's easy. Look at this. So you know how to make one granola then. See you soon. Peace and love. Love to your granola.